everyone, welcome to a new video of Travel with Ebu. So today I am in Royal National Park. So this is a national park actually. There are a lot of national park in Australia. This is one among them. So I am going for a forest walk in Royal National Park. So it is around some 4 kilometer walk. It's a very simple walk. Normally kids also can go through this walk. So it's very simple. So I am taking you to this Royal National Park walk. Let's go. Royal National Park is a very vast area. In order to reach here, it is around some 55 kilometers from Sydney Central. So there is no direct train or bus available till here. We have to take a car. So I came by car. So there is a parking area allotted there, the starting of this forest walk. So we can park over there and we can start our journey. This one is Forest Path. If you search in Google, you can find it out, Forest Path. So it's very simple, as I told you, even kids also can walk through this way. It's very good greenery. You can breathe some fresh air over here if you come over here. You can finish it out in around some 1.5 to 2 hours max. It's not going to take much long. This is one of the most popular tropical rainforest which is available in Australia. We can see a variety of trees available here, lots of greenery. So there are two main species which are available here, especially which is special in this rainforest. So this is the one, you can see these trees. These trees are named as cabbage trees. I don't know why it is named as cabbage trees. It will not give you cabbage. Some of my friends ask me whether it will give cabbage or not. It's not like that. So it's named as cabbage trees. And one species which is famous over here is Gymea lilies. So there is a river flowing through this Royal National Park. So I think the name is Haunting River. I just diverted from my normal pathway to reach this river actually. So it is a bit tough to reach the shore of this river. It is not a normal pathway. So it's very beautiful. Hearing the sound of this flowing water itself will give you some good vibes actually. An amazing view of Haunting River. cabbage trees available here. And this forest is not a simple forest. It is little thick forest actually. There are lots of big trees, small trees, and small plants also available. So we can hear the charming of birds. So I have reached Bola Creek now. So there is a picnic area available here. If you had packed your lunch, then you can unpack it and you can have it here. So for a change, I have decided to have my lunch on top of these rocks. So we can sit in the middle of this river and we can enjoy our lunch. Like this forest path, there are lots of walking paths available in this Royal National Park. So I have chose a moderate one. I mean the distance wise and also the walking pathways. It's just moderate one. So like this, there are very big park actually. This Royal National Park. So it will take you to forest, coastal areas. Very beautiful it is. So if you are in Sydney, and definitely you should visit here once. It's amazing. So I have completed my forest walk and I came to the other side of the Royal National Park. So here we can see the beautiful view of the Seacliff Bridge. See that waves. am on top of the Bald Hill viewpoint now. So from this viewpoint we will be able to see a good view of Seacliff Bridge and this coastal areas. It's very good. A cool wind is blowing over here, so, and also it is bit drizzling as well, so it is very good. And because of winter season it is very cold, a chilled weather over here. So it's a very well spent day today. I started with a forest walk and then I came to the other side of the Royal National Park to this Bald Hill. So very good. So I was a little tired after walking in the forest path. Then I came over here, I sat here for some time and I have relaxed, and now I am driving back to my home, to the Sydney city. So it was a very well spent day. If you are in Sydney, I recommend you all to visit these places. One day you can visit all, you can cover all these places. It's a very good, amazing place. You should experience it then. So it's time to wind up for today. If you like my video, please share to others. Please subscribe my channel as well. I'll be coming back with another video very soon. Till that time, bye bye.